Here is how you can fix screen flickering in Windows 11. Go to the Start menu icon, right-click, and select Device Manager from the menu. In the Device Manager window, locate Display Adapters, expand it, and here is your display driver. Now we can try a few different things to fix screen flickering. First, let's update the driver. Just right-click here and select Update Driver. A new pop-up window will open, select the First Search Automatically option, and Windows will install the updates if available. Just wait and see if this fixes the issue, and if the screen is still flickering sometimes, just close this window and now we roll back the driver. Again, right-click here and open Properties. Now go to the Driver tab, and you should have this Rollback Driver button available here. If it's unavailable, it is because you have an external GPU, so we have to use their official apps to roll back the display drivers. Now I have an NVIDIA GPU, so I'll show you its method. Just go and open your NVIDIA app. From the left panel, select Drivers. Scroll down and you will have the previously installed drivers here. Just click on this icon and select Reinstall to roll back your drivers. If updating or rolling back your display drivers doesn't solve the issue, you can also try modifying your refresh rate. Right-click on a blank space of the desktop and select Display Settings. Now, scroll down to Related Settings and open Advanced Display Options. If you have multiple monitors, select the one with the issue from this drop-down menu. Now choose the refresh rate from here. I'll suggest you lower it. Hopefully, one of these methods will resolve the issue.